So you keep hearing that in order to get rich, and to stay rich is to have financial literacy. What the heck is financial literacy? Well, it's a bit like learning to read. First you learn to recognize what basic letters look like and their sounds. In financial literacy that means learning what income and expenses are. Then once you've got a handle on your ABCs, it's time to learn how to combine letters to make new sounds. That's where budgeting and savings come in. Today, we're going over these 4 building blocks to financial literacy: income, expenses, budgeting and savings. We have several free budgeting PDF templates to help you get started. The links are in the description below if you want to check them out later. Let's start with income. Think of it as the money that's coming in, your wage, salary, bonuses, side gig income and any other sources of cash flow. Now, let's move on to expenses. This is where you keep track of where your money is going. From rent and groceries to entertainment and transportation, every expense should be accounted for. But just tracking your income and expenses isn't enough. That's where budgeting comes in. It's all about finding a balance between the two. By creating a budget, you can allocate your money in a way that allows you to meet your financial goals and stay within your means. And finally, there's savings. This is the money that's left over after you've accounted for your income and expenses. By saving this money, you can build up an emergency fund, invest in your future, or even treat yourself to something special. By understanding these 4 building blocks and using them to manage your money, you'll be able to make informed financial decisions and achieve your goals. So start tracking your income and expenses today. Create a budget that works for you, and watch your savings grow. Are you guys ready to get your minds blown? Next up by popular request is story time. I want you to get comfortable, relax, and allow yourself to become immersed in a short story that perfectly illustrates the crucial importance of financial literacy. We'll follow the journey of a young and determined woman named Natalie, who uses the 4 building blocks of financial literacy to achieve her goals and secure her financial future. This story is going to fire you up and get you motivated to take control of your finances like never before. Let's go.
This is Natalie, a hard-working young woman who's always on the go. Natalie is a sales associate at the local mall on weekends, and she is also a freelancer who does website updates for some local restaurants. Not to mention, she's also a college student who commutes to and fro from campus on public transit during the week. Despite her busy schedule, Natalie is determined to make ends meet. Let's talk numbers. Natalie works 12 hours each weekend, earning $12 per hour. If we multiply that by 4 weekends in a month, what is the total? Correct. Her total monthly income is $726. But wait, there's more. The second block is expenses, and Natalie's monthly expenses are $500 for rent, $100 for utilities for her shared townhouse, $100 for gas for her trusty old Toyota, and $300 for food. How much does Natalie spend on expenses each month? That's right. Her monthly expenses is $1,000 per month. So, it looks like Natalie is coming up a little short each month, to the tune of $274. But fear not, Natalie has taken out a student loan of $3,000 for the semester, which is 4 months long. If we divide that loan amount by 4, we get $750 per month. How much should she expect in income for each month? Correct. This brings Natalie's total income to $1,476 per month. Now for the exciting part, how much does Natalie have left over in savings each month? The answer is pinned in the comments below. Play the video again if you need to, if you didn't catch the numbers the first time through. Let us know if your answer matches the one we got. So there you have it. Natalie may be busy, but she's also savvy when it comes to managing her finances. If she can do it, so can you.
We will post up a few more story-style exercises to warm up your financial literacy muscles over at www.betwixt.co over the next few weeks. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.